Pradesh. Beautiful white asphalt, forest roads. About to rain, I guess. Couldn't be any better. So cold and pleasant to drive. Madhya Pradesh got a good vibe. Actually, they stopped me for checking my permit. I didn't take the permit actually, and I acted like I don't know anything about the permits. So they were like, Milo did the job. Milo distracted them with his cuteness and they let me go. They wanted to take a picture with Milo and they were okay. They're like, go. So otherwise I would have paid a penalty for not having a permit for Maharashtra, and also they are okay with me entering Madhya Pradesh without a permit. So yup. Madhya Pradesh, it's so beautiful. Milo is already smelling the chicken, but I fed him enough chicken. Milo, no. So I bought this chicken yesterday. I parceled some, so now I'm eating it. And yeah, this is my breakfast. And after having some bread, I'll be going for a walk with Milo on the way. Let me put it here. Yeah, I think my bread is almost ready. So, so hot. Meanwhile, oh shit, I think one of the egg is broken. Thank God. Not pretty bad. Yeah. Happy Milo going for a walk, and he had a stomach full of chicken. He's happy. The van is parked over there. And Madhya Pradesh, it's so beautiful. I really like the vibe. It's like green and calm. Yeah. So today I'm planning to cover around 200 to 300 more kilometers. So I have already did 200 kilometers. So let's see. Milo's having a peace time. I'm also happy. So I'll be heading back and starting the trip. Shit, man. I thought I would have crashed. The steering wheel started shaking a lot, and just look what happened. The tire is completely gone, and I was so scared. The van started shaking like this. I thought it's going to tip over, but somehow, thank God, I stopped it. And luckily there is a puncture shop right there. I thought I was going to crash. That's it. It was like shaking, and holy shit, somehow it stopped. I stopped it, and luckily we have a tire right here. I think the destiny was to get punctured and the tires has to be changed. But shit, man, I got so scared. I thought I was going to crash. I couldn't control it anymore. The van was, holy shit. Anyway, so I'll be changing the tires and I'll be going ahead.